Hi parents, this is the unit preview for Unit 2. You've already gotten through one unit, congratulations. Now we're on to the next one. So we just wanted to start off with language arts. Again, we're continuing with sing, spell, read, and write. We've already gone over all of the vowels, and now we're going to go ahead and move on to consonants. So be looking for those. Make sure you're going in the correct order of the wiki. And we have popcorn words. It's been a huge hit here. We have our popcorn words as they leave, as their secret password to get out. And we've been buttering our popcorn words in the books. And as you have seen, we have been sending home books that coincide with the popcorn words that we have been going over. So please make sure you review those books with your students as they come home. Read them at least 3 or more times, so that they can really build the fluency, making sure they're pointing to each word as they're reading it. And Lexia, continue to work hard on Lexia. You are all doing a wonderful job. We are celebrating students right and left for leveling up, and it's been very exciting for them. And just wanted to remind you that it is a minimum of 40 minutes a week. If you want to do more, no problem. And then I also wanted to hit on a couple parents were wondering if it would be okay if you helped your student. And when we were saying in the very beginning was for the assessment to not help them whatsoever, but if they're struggling and they need some guidance, it's totally fine to guide them through the correct answer, as long as you're not telling them the answer, obviously. Moving on to literature. So we are doing our literature study on Bill Martin Jr. this unit. Last unit was Audrey Wood, and we had a great time with that. And you will be focusing on Brown Bear, and the other Bill Martin Jr. books will be read in class and also at home as well. For history, moving on to history, we are going to be you're going to be doing all the history at home, and you'll be going over Christopher Columbus and also the continents. So it's a really fun one, and that will coincide really great with our science this unit, which we'll be doing all at school, which is animals and their habitats. So talking about where those habitats are will really go well with the different continents that you will be learning about. And then we're also going to be doing the solar system in science as well. And we have a special surprise with that, so please bring in your empty cereal boxes so that we can do a fun thing with them for the solar system. And then lastly, we have math. In math, you are now going to be starting the Saxon book. So you will be opening that box that you got when we first met and starting that book. So we will be focusing on graphing and shapes again, and working on sorting. We're going to start addition and also subtraction. Now this is beginning addition and subtraction. If your student is struggling with this, please by all means use manipulatives. You can use anything. You can use crayons, you can use pencils, anything that you have inside your house in order to make it tangible for them to really see what adding and subtracting looks like. And then we're going to continue with our numbers, and we are focusing on numbers all the way to 30. So continue the good work, and we look forward to seeing you soon.